guys, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're gonna play a game called Hide the Body. Meanwhile you're there, can you please like and subscribe? Thank you. Let's play now. Come on, Steve. Come, let's go. So we're gonna make a map. I don't know why this body's here. Wow. Why is there so many people? Okay, let's play. So 90's house and 2 player and 1 stranger. Cause come on, Steve. Go! Yay! Steve, tingog. Say something. Say something. Oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, so I'm gonna grab the knife. Grab the knife. Steve, get the knife. Our friend's gonna go on. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's kill this person because our friend's gonna come here to our house later. Okay, where should we hide this, Steve? In the bush? Should we hide this in the bush? Bush?
Let's hide it in the bush.
Release. Our friend's never gonna notice, right?
Yes.
Okay. There's a knife here. Can we kill our friend? Can we kill our friend? Let's kill our friend.
Okay.
Let's kill our friend. Where's our friend?
It's not here yet.
Oh my god.
4, 3, and 2, and 1.
Okay, where's our friend? Come on.
There!
Let's kill him. Kill him. Hey, why is our friend here, by the way? He's just gonna check our house for any person. Well, is he even a true friend? Because we don't want any more friends for us. But never mind. Don't check in the bushes, okay? Okay. Let's wait for our friend. Why is he checking all the rooms?
I don't know.
I thought he's just gonna play games with us, but never mind.
Okay, time for the next.
What kind of friend is he? Like a friend who checks our house? He's the I don't know. Let's kill him. Put him in the bush, Steve.
There it is.
Yay! We killed the body. Yeah, we killed the body. Yeah. Yay! We killed the body, Steve.
Yay!
Yay! Yay! We killed the body.
Bro.
Okay. Why can't we kill our friend and we can kill random people except our friend? Why? Why? I want to kill you. Bro. Wait. Look at the furniture. Look at the wait, where's the furniture? Look at the furniture. It's certainly knocked out, but because of our friend Jesus. Why did they take off? Bro, this is not your house. Can you get out? Jesus. And where's the knife?
Oh, it's outside.
Oh, it's outside. Okay, let's go.
Oh no, it's not outside. Where was? Oh, there it is.
Wait, we got Oh. We can do this the entire time? Bruh. Never mind. Okay, this is me, guys, okay? This is me. I'm jumping. This is me. And the person. And that's my brother. Yeah, that's my brother. And this is me, okay? If you're wondering, okay, let's just kill a person now. Let's kill him.
Yeah.
Kill him, Steve. Kill him. Aha.
Okay, let's drag
Let's
him.
Drag him. Put him in the bush.
Oh
No.
no!
Why is he like that?
No!
Release. Haha. Our friends never gonna notice, right?
Yeah.
Our friends never gonna notice, but still, why does he even check our house? If he's not gonna like play games with us or whatever. And why does strangers keep coming into our house like, bro? We don't know them, bro. And when? Oh, this is invisible. Bro, like, look at this. Wait, come here. Look, he literally destroyed our house. Like, how could he? Bro. And by the way, friend, for ruining our house, like, give us like $1 million, cause you ruined our house. No, where's the knife? Knife!
Yes!
Look at the knife!
Oh yeah.
Knife! Let's kill him! Okay, put him in the bush. Wow, very nice, right? Don't check it. He's never gonna notice, right? Like, I mean, there's part of the stranger's body, but it's okay. He will never notice because he's dumb. He's dummy. Haha. Hey. Nice! I'm gonna kill you guys. I'm gonna kill you. Eh. Bro.
God,
He pushes things in our house. Like, how good he is. Like, bro. Come.
Oh my god, he just destroyed the bed.
No, not the bed. Like, come here, Steve. Come here to this, here. Come. Like, look, guys, he literally destroyed our bedroom. Like, bro. Let's go and kill the stranger. Because if our friend's gonna notice that there's a stranger, he'll kill us. Ah! Haha. Okay,
Whoa.
get out.
God.
Oh my gosh. Steve, I'm gonna like release. I'm trying to like, okay, there. Our friends never gonna notice, right? Okay. Oh my gosh. Our friends here. So, are you gonna play games with us or what? Bro, what kind of friend are you if you're just gonna come in our house every like minute or second? Jesus. At least just like play games with us. Why are you even here? Right, Steve? Yeah. Let's get in there.
Bro, you destroyed the...
He destroyed the house? Again?
Yes.
By the way, the fine is $1 million for ruining our house. Give us money! Okay, let's kill the stranger again.
Okay.
Like, we just literally just want to kill the stranger. Kill him! Okay, now let's drag. Bro, I'm the one to drag! Steve! Like, guys, why can't we kill our friend? If we're able to kill strangers, why can't we kill our friend? Wait, is our friend actually immortal? Yes or no? What do you
I
think,
think.
guys? Okay, Steven thinks he's immortal because he can't, like, die. Okay, this is the bathroom. Very poopy.
Oh my god.
Very nice, right, like this. Haha. When is he gonna stop going to our house and stop destroying things? Jeez. Okay, let's kill the other person, guys. This time I kill him, Steve. I kill him. Okay. Haha. No, me. Release.
Oh no.
Our friend's never gonna notice, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Our friend's gonna notice it or not? Yeah, he's not gonna notice, right? Oh my god. Well, there's no time. Hide. Hide. Oh, he didn't notice. Okay, hide the body by just come on.
Oh, no.
Okay,
Good.
I thought we're gonna be get killed. Why is
Bro,
But
where's he going? Bathroom?
I don't know. Like, seriously, guys, why does he like keep going to our house and checking on things? Like, bro, why?
Oh, I have a
Okay,
lantern.
like always, let's get. What? You have a lantern? How?
I just go to my bag.
Oh, how can you go to your bag?
Over here.
We have a bag. We have a trap. I have a trap. Oh my god. What is this?
Wow.
Okay.
Bro, where's the stranger?
I do not know. Oh, it's there. So why did you put the lantern there? Hey, friend. Like, if I give you this lantern, like, if I give you this lantern, will you, like, play with us, please? No. No, why does he not play with us and keep checking in our house?
Oh,
Bye. Steve, you didn't video? Oh wait, never mind. Sorry guys. Okay.
okay.
Like what topic? Get him.
Oh,
Now put him in the bush. Put him in the bush.
oh my god.
Bro.
Bruh.
Bro! I think our friends never gonna notice, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chicken leg. Six, five, four, three, two, one.
Yeah.
Oh my god. He's a golfer.
I'm gonna why can't I kill him? Is he like
Immortal?
immortal? Yeah. I think now he's immortal, guys.
Going upstairs. Bro, stop moving the bed.
Bruh.
Oh no, it fell.
Bruh. Never mind. So, that's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, unfortunately guys, we lost. But it's okay. We can try again maybe next time. Well, it's okay. So I hope you enjoy our video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Thanks guys. Bye.